You can do it.
Hi there, I'm trying to show you all the ways you can use all of the recipes that we have on the site in different ways. You know, there's so many recipes on our website and people don't realise. So, and insiders especially, we're trying to help you to realise that there's so many crossovers with different recipes. So this recipe actually exists as part of the chorizo and potato frittata, which is amazing, but it's such a great recipe in and of itself. So we've separated it out into this spicy tomato sauce. We've changed it slightly, and we're going to use it today in a couple of ways. So first up, a little drizzle of olive oil. And look, this sauce, you can make it as spicy or as mild as you like. So we're using dried chilies, which are super hot. So I might just only use 3 because the last batch we did was super hot. And then a lot of garlic. Apologies to those who'll be sleeping with you tonight. Okay, and then we're just going to chop that all up together with the oil. And then I'm going to take the MC out, and this is always my trick, 5 minutes to saute minimum. There's no point doing less than that. And on Varoma, and I better get the simmering basket or the spatter guard or I'll be in trouble. No MC. So that's made the whole house smell very, very Italian. The garlic is so strong. I forgot to put the cumin powder in earlier, the ground cumin, but it's okay. That can go in now. You could add paprika at this point, and we do for one of the other recipes. So you can change this up a little bit with different spices based on what you're cooking. Some brown sugar, and then 2 tins of diced tomatoes. We did this with fresh tomatoes originally, and the original recipe, and you can still do that, but diced, they're already chopped, they're already cooked, they're already sort of reduced a little bit, so you get a bit more flavour. And then be decent with the salt, a couple of pinches. And now we're going to cook this for 20 minutes on Varoma, and we're going to use the spatter guard, which is one of my favourite things. You should go and get one of these, I use it a lot. Speed 2. We'll be back. Here is your spicy tomato sauce. This is one we cooked earlier, and it's beautiful and thick, very spicy. We'll keep in the fridge for, you know, probably 3 months if it's totally clean and you've used a sterilised jar and you don't like dip in and, you know, contaminate it. We can use it for so many things. Mamma mia!